Kalalov is 30, 1 inch taller is Kalalov, slightly heavier is Superlek. The reach is identical at 69 inches.
Introducing first, out of the blue corner, training out of Stemming Cream, Muay Thai Tim and Archangel Michael, representing Russia, 7. And introducing his opponent out of the red corner, he is a 2-time flyweight kickboxing world champion and the #1 flyweight Muay Thai gym, holding a Muay Thai and kickboxing record of 134-29. Representing
And in the main event tonight, Superlek. What a scene here in Lumpinee Boxing Stadium. A living legend, now 10-1 here in one championship. He's won 9 straight fights.